Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today I am going to be planning my catch-all planner, which is Beauty in Florals, classic size happy planner. I am going to go ahead and start decorating, and today we're going to be using the fall florals from Calva Plan. I really like her boxes a lot. They're already pre-decorated. So once in a while I used to put flowers in my boxes and she solved my issue. So thanks, Heather. And while I go ahead and start planning, I wanted to say thank you. If this is your first time joining me, welcome to my channel. If you are coming back and spending more time with me, thank you so much. I appreciate you, and I hope you guys are still having fun if you're here. So let's go ahead and do these florals that are very like end of summer, fall, moody, beautiful. I can't get enough of. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. And we're gonna add those to my planner today. So I do want to incorporate that big floral piece, and with that, what I do is put it in areas where I don't like to use or write. So for me, the hardest part to write on is the bottom of the page because my planner is so thick, and when I write, especially at work, I don't really take my pages out. So I strategically usually place some bigger decorative pieces on the bottom of the pages of my planner. And let me just cut this leaf off so it can fit, and then we can go from there. But yeah, so I strategically place those to make sure that my planning time is the easiest as it can be, right? Especially if you're writing on the go at work or anywhere, and you still want it to look pretty, you have to be much more careful. So that's why I'm planning the way I plan. So if you guys see it, this is why. Okay, so the big piece is down. It is gorgeous. So now it's time to add something to the other side. So let's go ahead and remove some lines. I know that watching removing lines, it's not fun, but you guys, it makes such a big difference. When the lines are going through like your florals or your clear stickers, it looks like something's being cut down. I really don't like that look. I was about to say I hate that look, but I really don't like that look. There are some stickers that can get away with it, but for the most part, not really. So that's where I am with my planning and how I do it. Look at this dark moody box. Holy smokes, so pretty. I'm super excited about that one. I love darker backgrounds on florals like this. And then even though these are decorative boxes, we're gonna switch them and we're gonna make them quite functional in just 1 second, like so. So I'm gonna be adding some beautiful boxes to it to make it functional. Okay, here we go. That's good. Okay, and now I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side and add a couple more boxes in between to make it as functional as possible for myself. Okay. What else? What else? I know I need, let's make this one functional because it's gonna bug me. Okay, perfect. And I know I'm staying with my main boxes and my lines today. I don't know how you guys do, if you follow the lines or if you do your own thing or both, and if you stick to one or the other. Is there a reason why? I do it based on my mood. Sometimes I sit down and plan. It's like, oh, I like staying in the boxes. It's very like conformed and nice. And then other days I'm like, ooh, let me go crazy with my stickers and go all over the place. So I don't know, it just depends. But if you have a reason why you do yours one way, or another, please share. I'm always curious to see what you guys are thinking and doing. So let's go ahead and add a couple more floral items to here to make it a little bit more decorational. So here we go. I'm gonna add this tiny little baby flower. I'm gonna use my correction tape as always to make sure that these are not looking like they're cut by a line, like so. I'm gonna put another little baby right here, and this one is just, it works out. The flowers are dark enough not to show the lines, so that's good. And I'm gonna use a bigger one on Friday and Saturday. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and use my correction tape, remove the line in the middle, and place this down. Oh, I love it. I love flowers. In my planner, there's something about plants, flowers, and stuff like that in my planner that makes me super happy. Now I'm going to be making all of my bullet points as always, so I'm going to fast forward through that, okay? I'll be right back. Okay, so here we go. Let's go ahead and do that super fast. Add all of these dots. And I am using a stencil that I found on Amazon a while back, and I love the little circles on it. I don't use much else out of it, but I mean, the amount of circles that I make, super worth it, at least for me. Okay, so Saturday, Sunday, and believe me, you guys, it does not go this fast because I am waiting for like 3 seconds in between each circle to dry. The only other thing that I want to add is some quotes. So this one doesn't have it, but my seasonal florals from Calva Plant do, and there's fall ones, so let's use those and hopefully the colors match. So I'm going to go ahead and use my tweezers for this, and I'm going to pull this really fast and put be thankful for all the things, which practicing gratitude is such a magical thing in the first place, so at least for me. Fall is in the air. It definitely is here. I will post a picture of what my view from my home office, so planner room, looks like. The fall is in here, so I'll include it at the end of the video, but oh my lord, I am so blessed. And that's all, my loves. I am all done. Let's pop this back into my planner, and I hope you guys had fun. I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Thanks for watching. Bye.